In this class, we are going to learn how to make use of query parameter, that is Q parameter, in our Oracle Fusion Cloud REST APIs. For demonstration purpose, I am considering over here get all suppliers REST API. In our earlier classes, we had seen how to make use of expand, fields, finder, limit, link, offset, only data, order by, and total results query parameter. In this class, we are going to see how to make use of this Q parameter. So many a times when we make use of any Fusion REST API and just hit this API, we will be getting all the data or all the information in the response. Suppose if you want to get the specific data in the REST API, suppose if I want to get the details of only supplier ID whose value is something like this, then we can achieve with the help of query parameter, that is Q parameter. Also, we had seen that we can make use of finder. Suppose in case if the finder has been not created by Oracle to filter based on the supplier ID. In this case, we have a finder which has been created to fetch the data based on the supplier ID, so it is available. Suppose in the case if it is not there, then we can go for the Q. Now let me just copy this Q parameter from here over to my REST API, and here I will tell Q is equal to, then we have to mention the field, that is supplier ID, followed by the name, that is this one. In our case, name is the number. Click on send. Now here I am seeing the data for only one supplier. It is evident from this count is equal to 1. We are not getting the information for any other supplier. Only one supplier information we are getting from this API. So this is the easiest way in order to filter the data based on the condition which we specify in the query parameter. Similar like this, if you want to provide the name of the supplier, we can provide the field name over here followed by the value. So in case if the number is supplied, we no need to pass the quotation, but if we are passing the string, then we have to pass within the single quotes. Click on send. So we will be seeing the details for the supplier whose name is Lee Supplies. So this is the one. Now if there are multiple data for the supplier with the same name, then we will see all the details in the REST API. So in this Fusion instance, only one supplier is there with the name Lee Supplies. We are seeing only one record.